Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create monthly budget in Excel. So if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn how to create or how to set monthly budget in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a table, monthly budget table. Here in this section I will add income, and in this section I will add expense. Okay, so and here I will find the total income and total expense, then we will find the saving. Okay, so income source first. Here in particulars you have to type or enter the income source. So first my income source is salary, second is rental. Okay, and if you have another income source you can just enter here. Then I'm going to enter the amount. Okay, so this is my salary and rental amount if it is 10,000. Okay, now we will find total income. So to find total income we have to just equals to sum, then just, so this is my total income. Now EMI. Now here we will have the expenses. Okay, expense table. So this is particulars here, the type of expense for the month. So home loan, if you have home loan just enter home loan. Electricity bill, water bill, mobile bill, food and grocery, TV recharge, and bike EMI. Okay, now we will find the total expense. So now again equals to sum, bracket close. So this is my expense. Okay, so this is my expense. Now we will find the total saving equals to total income minus total saving. So this will be the saving. Okay, so like this you can create monthly budget in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.